Welcome to Pampered Chef Cooking with Rob. I'm Rob. Tonight we're going to look at a couple new products from Pampered Chef, and they're in the summer 2022 lineup. They'll only be available through August, so you want to make sure you get these now and make these the drink of choice for your summer outings. We have two different drinks, cherry lemonade drink mix, and we have cucumber mojito drink mix. Now you can drink these without alcohol, which would be great. But you can also mix them with your favorite alcohol and make it a nice cherry lemonade and a cucumber mojito. So I'm going to show you just how easy it is. It comes in a pack of 8. And we're going to mix this. Now this is probably the only time I would mix this per the directions is while I'm showing you, because I would probably on my own just go ahead and mix in a glass, in a regular glass. But it does say to mix with 6 to 8 ounces of water. Cold water, so I'm going to do that first. And then I will mix in my alcohol and pour it over ice. I'm going to choose vodka this evening. I'm going to put a shot in there. My cherry lemonade. I can't wait. Now, if you wanted to be a little more professional about mixing your drink, you could always opt for the mixing set from Pampered Chef. Ooh, be a little bit more professional. But what I would normally do is probably throw that in the glass, throw some water in there, mix that up. But I did measure it out this evening so you can see how it's made. Oh yeah, nice cherry flavor to that lemonade. This would be a great summer drink by the pool or without a pool. A hit from Pampered Chef. Be sure and get that for your summer activities. Okay, now the cucumber mojito mix. Again, I'm going to mix it like the directions say to mix it, even though probably I would not do this if I were making my drink. Normally I'd just go ahead and mix it in the glass, but I do want to demonstrate the proper proportions. So super simple, of course, to open these mixes. You may do some fancy bartending, in which case be sure and subscribe to my channel, because I will be showing the Pampered Chef bartending mixing set, which you could use to do that. Or you can just do the easy way and use these drink mixes. So I'm going to use the cucumber mojito mix, and then I'm going to use a white rum to go in my mojito. Mix that together real quick. If I had the Pampered Chef shaker, I'd be shaking right now. And I'm just going to pour that in a glass. See how easy that is? Makes everyone a perfect bartender. The moment of truth. Now, I can honestly say I've never had a cucumber mojito, but it's very good. It's got a very light, crisp cucumber taste. Very fresh, very satisfying. You definitely want to get these two mixes for the summer. Like I said, they're only available through August, so you want to be sure and get those. Thanks for joining us today. Be sure and like this video, share this video, and definitely subscribe to the channel. Like I said, we've got some things coming up with some drinks. You don't want to miss those recipes and those Pampered Chef products. So be sure and join us back here again, Pampered Chef Cooking with Rob.